All right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their water warmer and dispenser. So it's instant warm, detachable, you can keep water warm, and it has a lighting function designed for everyday value. And it's mainly for baby products. So this is, of course, to have warm milk. Here's some of their other products: white noise machine, bottle warmer with timer, microwave sterilizer. And so water warmer dispenser, 400 watts, 1 liter, 120 volts, right here in Georgia. Look at that. Let's open this on up. Let's see what we got. So we've got a nice little user's manual here. This should tell you how to put it together, how to do absolutely everything you would need to do with this. I'm of course just showing you an unboxing of what comes inside of the box. All right, look at this. We got a little citric acid detergent. Take this on out. Wow, that's it for the box. All right, so let's go through some of this. There's our cable. Not a long cable, but you don't need a long one. So a little bit of a correct way to add water and wrong way to add water. Foam, more foam. This is a little longer than I originally thought. This is your actual little warming container that warms up your water. So the max line, the minimum line. So this part goes down into this part. So that's really how it would work. Then this plugs into your wall outlet and your water is able to come right out of here directly into your bottle. That's why this is max and minimum. So it looks pretty easy. So this is your dispense. So once you fill it with water, you just hold that and that'll pour your water out. And you've got a little dial on, off, and 104, 122, 158. Just depends on how many degrees you want. So there we go. I think that will do it for this water warmer and dispenser. Seems very easy to set up as you've just seen. And if I just add water and plug it in and flip it on, I'd have some hot water and can dispense it right out. So again, thanks to Hey Value for sending me this product. We will see you all in the next one. Deuces.